Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designing professional cinematic tones using color lookup. Start by opening your image and correcting exposure so your tonal foundation is clean. Professional cinematic tones rely on smooth contrast and balanced color direction. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and browse LUTs that offer subtle cinematic color shifts. Select one that enhances the scene's atmosphere and reduce its opacity to maintain realism. Add a curves adjustment layer and shape contrast carefully, keeping highlights soft and shadows detailed. Use color balance to refine tonal direction, warming highlights or cooling shadows depending on the mood.